Scattered snow showers will continue throughout this evening, especially for areas closer to Lake Superior. We have a cold front moving through the area, and then with winds becoming out of the northwest, some lake effect snow taking over for this evening. Winter weather advisories are posted for the western side of the UP from Keweenaw County through Ontonagon and Gogebic counties and eastward into Baraga County. That winter weather advisory continues until 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Further to the east from Alger County eastward through Luce County and into Chippewa County, a winter weather advisory until 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. Outside of those advisories, snowfall amounts will be much less. For the area shaded in gray, there's the potential for some localized amounts over a half foot of snow. Areas along the Wisconsin state line from Iron River down through Menominee County and along much of the Lake Michigan shoreline will only be getting trace amounts of snow over the next 18 to 24 hours. Temperatures right now are ranging through the 20s, even some spots that have dropped off into the upper teens for western areas of the UP. It's 18 degrees in Houghton, and blustery winds are creating wind chill values below zero. 19 degrees in Iron River with a wind chill of 4. It's 23 degrees in Marquette with a wind chill at 8. The breeze going at 22 miles per hour, and 29 degrees in Manistee with a wind chill sitting at 20. Currently light snow falling in Marquette, a temperature of 23 degrees, winds from the west-northwest about 22 miles per hour, and our atmospheric pressure is rising. That's good news. We have some more stable weather that's going to be moving into our area. Notice all of this dry air sitting over Minnesota and North Dakota. Most of the day tomorrow will likely end up dry. This will be part one of the next system moving in on Thursday. It will give us a chance of flurries early on Thursday. Then some moisture coming up from the south will give us some warmer temperatures and the chance of a wintry mix late in the day on Thursday. Temperatures around the Midwest right now are sitting at 44 degrees in Indianapolis. It's 35 in Green Bay. We're at 23. Take a look at Duluth, sitting at 11 degrees. We're seeing these darkest shades of blue. That's temperatures below 10 degrees. And this area of colder air is going to be moving over the UP tonight and into the day tomorrow. So as we get into Wednesday, we'll have morning wind chills well below zero. On Thursday, early flurries, then a bit of a break in the late morning to lunchtime hour, and then a late day wintry mix moving in. Late in the week, we'll have dry conditions setting up on Thursday and cooler temperatures returning to our area over the weekend. For tonight, still some lake effect snow happening, and tomorrow morning lake effect snow will be most prevalent for areas east of Marquette, but later in the day the lake effect snow will diminish and we'll end up with dry conditions heading into Wednesday evening. Early Thursday, there's that chance of flurries moving in, and then a bit of a break late in the day on Thursday. The chance of a wintry mix. We'll likely have some rain along the Lake Michigan shoreline, snow for the western UP, and areas between Marquette and Escanaba will be caught in that transition zone between snow and rain late in the day Thursday. For tonight, low temperatures dropping off to 3 degrees in Marquette, 7 degrees in Baraga, but further to the east we'll have temperatures in the lower teens with lake effect snow. Then tomorrow, high temperatures only reaching 13 degrees in Marquette, getting into the upper teens or even close to 20 degrees along the Lake Michigan shoreline, with a chance of flurries early in the day and then quieting down after that. So for tomorrow, we should end up with dry conditions for much of the afternoon and evening. Highs near 13 degrees, dropping to 5 degrees heading into Wednesday night, and high temperatures near 34 degrees for Thursday afternoon. With those temperatures a little bit above freezing, we'll have that chance of a wintry mix, possibly some raindrops mixing in, especially south and east of Marquette. On Friday, mostly cloudy, highs near 28 degrees, then dropping off to highs in the upper teens over the weekend. A chance of some flurries late Sunday, so scattered snow showers possible on Monday, and then mostly cloudy on Tuesday with highs around the lower 20s.